Hello beautiful people and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me on yet another video where I am going to be taking you through the things I made in January of this year. Now you might be wondering why my desk is just full of stuff. Well, that's because I just filmed a video where I took you guys through what I sold in the year of 2021. Every single thing, from leather trenches to dresses to tops and the likes. So make sure you do check out that video, but only after you watch this one. But before you get into this video, make sure to smash that subscribe button down below, and also follow me at KayTeko on Instagram to stay up to date with everything that I've got going on in my life. If you don't already know, I am a fashion constructor slash seamstress slash fashion designer, and this is my creative outlet to bring to you guys tutorials, sew with me's, and any other type of content that you might find interesting and where I can express myself creatively. So do subscribe, do follow me, and let's get right into the video. Actually, first, let me just clear up the space behind me so that I can actually get into the things that I want to show you. Okay, cool. Make sure to also follow Jack N Dre on Instagram, because that is the shop that I have just launched where you can possibly find the pieces that I am going to be showing you here today. But you'll only know that if you follow at Jack N Dre on the Grizzlygram. And also, if you are a resident of Cape Town or delivery is to Cape Town, you don't have to worry about delivery at all. That is completely free if you do reside in the Cape Town area. So follow at Jack N Dre on Instagram. And yeah, without rambling on for too much longer, let's get into this video. Now, in no particular order, I'm just going to be showing you the things that I made. Towards the end of last year, for some reason, I was just drawn towards greens. I just felt like I wanted to get a bit more green, minty colors as well into my wardrobe. So I played around with some of those colors and fabrics, and not the first thing I made, but the first thing I'm going to show you is this dress that I think is absolutely divine. It's got like this gathering situation here and some straps that you can tie and pull in order to make the gathers, cinch up or make them a bit loose if you want. And it's also an off-the-shoulder dress, so it's very cute, it's very flirty, and I think the color is also, it's quite charming and inviting, so I really like that about this dress. Like I did in my previous video, I'm just going to put all my garments behind me on the table because I don't want to put them on the floor, so that will go just there. The next thing that I'm going to be showing you is this very, very cute, very sexy, very open bag. I absolutely love it, and I hate that I just ironed it, but because I didn't fold it nicely, it's already creased, but it's okay. I have made a reel on this dress on my Instagram, so make sure that you do go and check it out. But this is the dress. It's open bag. If you do want to get your hands on this dress, it might be on Jack N Dre, so make sure that you do go and follow Jack N Dre on Instagram. The next thing that I made out of scrap fabric, so scrap fabric from that green dress that I made back there, is this top. Now, January was the hottest month of my life in Cape Town. It was blistering hot. I needed loose things to wear. I just had to wear things that aren't going to grab my body. Like t-shirts were making me too hot, tights were making me too hot, and I needed loose things to wear inside the house to help me cool down. So I decided to make this off-the-shoulder tube top, and I made it using some scrap fabric, which is why if you make clothes, don't throw away scrap fabric, because you never know. Something can come out of it. I made this this tube top. It's very loose and it just has an elastic in the middle and will just sit right here like that. It's very flowy, as you can see. So when the Cape Town wind blows, I'll be able to feel nice and cool and fresh. And it's also I like the color, and I think I like the color against my skin as well. It's not loud. It's cute. It's giving cute. I really like it. I think it's a very cute top, and it serves its purpose because when it's hot, I need something like that to wear. Another thing that I made out of scrap fabric from this this dress that I made back here is the top that I am wearing. It is just a regular, just a top which has these sleeves on it, and yeah, I think that, not sleeves, what is it? What are these called? Straps on it, and like, yeah, you can wear the straps up if you want, you can play around with the straps. Oh, that actually kind of looks, that looks kind of cute. Okay. It has these straps on it and you can play with it however you want. You can dress it up as well, dress it down, wear it to work if you're trying to be cute. Yeah, I like it. The final thing that I'm going to show you and that I made in the month of January is this slip-on satin dress. This is definitely for like a date night. This is definitely evening wear. This is definitely when you're trying to look a bit sexy. I absolutely love the quality of the satin. It's so beautiful, like it stretches, but oh, it's just stunning. And the color. The final thing I'm going to show you, I didn't actually make in January. I made this maybe in like November, December last year, and I wore it on Christmas. But I'm showing you this because it is available on Jack N Dre. So make sure to go and get your hands on this dress. And the reason also why I'm showing you this dress is because I bought this fabric at the same time that I bought the fabrics to make those outfits back there. But it is this beautiful, like textured, I don't even know what to call it, but it's some stretchy material, and this dress is very flowy. It's very nice for windy days, for hot days, but you can also dress it up in heels, dress it down in some flats or some sneakers. So make sure you go hop onto Jack N Dre to get your hands on this dress. And if you do live in the Cape Town area, delivery is free, so you don't have to worry about any of that. So those are all the things that I made in the month of January 2022. Given that this month I made 5 items, that means that I have accomplished 2 items per month up until halfway through March, basically. So I'm very chuffed with myself that I was able to whip out these many items in the month of January. And I also didn't film the process of me sewing them because I just wanted to really enjoy my time off and, you know, spend some time sewing and just diving into the creative process of making a garment. I think they came out exactly how I wanted them to come out, and I have run out of fabric, and that is stressing my life, and I cannot wait to get more fabric to sew more things. So make sure you do follow me at KayTeko on Instagram to keep up to date on when I do that. And also don't forget to check out the catalog on Jack N Dre. I do post some of the behind the scenes on my Instagram page at KayTeko, but follow on Jack N Dre if you want to see the finished product, how much it is, where you can get it, how you can get your hands on it, all that good stuff. Thank you so much for tuning into this video, and I will catch you on a next one. Bye!